This is the second half of 2025. Someone called me. His name is Victor. Victor said to me, Eselsa, I know you are a tech educator and a trainer with wealth of experience in this digital space. I said, yes, you are correct. He went ahead and told me that he really wants to make the second half of 2025 a memorable one. I want to acquire a tech skill. Please tell me the tech courses that are still relevant to the current market demand. I want to get started immediately. This was exactly what he told me. Of course, let me give a free consultation. This is not just for Victor, but for everyone who wants to dive deep into the tech space, taking advantage of the second half of 2025. Talking about the courses that are still relevant to the current market demand, I have a lot of them here, but let me start with the general overseer, the Oga Kwata of them all. So the first one here is actually forex trading, number one. In as much as we call it forex trading, it is the financial market trading because you can actually get the skill and you are able to trade any asset in the financial market. Both forex, crypto, commodity, indices, and every other asset in the financial market that has Japanese candlesticks as charts that are tradable. It involves buying and selling currencies to profit from market fluctuations, requiring a strong understanding of economics and market analysis. It can be a lucrative career, but a big but. It also comes with significant risks and requires discipline. Maybe it is because of the discipline part of forex trading, the risk management part of forex trading, and the consistency that is involved. That is why a whole lot of people are running away from it. However, if you're able to pass through the discipline, consistency, get a training strategy that works, this is actually a career that I am sure will guarantee you financial freedom if you do it the right way. Now, second to forex trading, on top of my list here is cybersecurity. I cannot even overemphasize the importance of cybersecurity, especially in this our current economy. Cybersecurity involves protecting computer systems, networks, and data from cyber threats, requiring a strong foundation in IT and security protocols. It is a high demand field with excellent job prospects and opportunities for growth. Cybersecurity is actually one of the courses I would advise anyone who is coming into the tech space to go into, because this particular part of tech is not saturated as others. Here now, you just have to learn about IT, have IT foundation, understand security protocols, and then you can even go into ethical hacking and penetration testing, which is actually a field in cybersecurity that is in high demand. So that's about cybersecurity. Now let's go to the third one here, which is data analysis. Data analytics involves extracting insights from data to inform business decisions, requiring strong analytical and statistical skills. It's a versatile field with applications across industries. Of course, you guys know they used to say it now that data is the new oil, right? Every sector of the economy requires data. And when this data is analyzed and refined, it can be used to make informed decision and policy in every industry. So data analysts are highly sought after. Moving away from data analysis, I have 1, 2, 3. So the fourth one here on my list is web development. Web development involves building and maintaining websites, requiring proficiency in programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is a creative field with many opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship. This is one thing about web development. Once you acquire this skill in web development, you can be able to render your services to every organization. In fact, there's no organization in the world here that doesn't need a website, right? So this is part of the things you learn and should be able to do in 2025, especially as you are getting towards the end of the year. Another one here is UI UX. UI UX design involves crafting user-centered experiences for websites and applications, requiring a deep understanding of human behavior and design principles. And so if you are good with design, the elder brother of graphics design is UI UX, and they work in collaboration with web developers to give us a very nice user-friendly website. So this is it about if you want to get started with forex trading, cybersecurity, or any of these tech courses. Of course, just call me anytime, right? And I'll get to talk to you. I've opened up slots for 5 persons who are really interested in starting up a career in cybersecurity. This training is going to be for 6 months, right? This 6 months is going to be an online training where I will take these 5 persons, because the reason why it's just 5 is because I need few persons I can be able to handle and then take care of till they secure their first job online in cybersecurity. So this course is basically going to be focusing on ethical hacking, penetration testing, and digital forensic, while laying emphasis on the basis of cybersecurity, right? So the whole course have been put together. 10 courses is available for cybersecurity, while additional 10 courses have been designed and prepared for ethical hacking, penetration tests, and digital forensics. So if you're interested in taking advantage of this opportunity for 6 months, learning with me one-on-one online, all you need to do is just to call me and get plugged in.